Welcome back everyone. So this is me Ragini, and today we are going to paint the part 2 of Mahalakshmi. So let's begin with me. If you haven't watched the part 1, it's in the description, you can check it out, and the sketching part is also out, so you can also check that out. I will put the link in the description. So make sure to subscribe and like. As you can see, I am starting by adding more depth to the crown. This part takes time because jewelry needs patience. I love building the colors slowly, layer by layer, instead of rushing. While painting this, I was thinking how beautiful Rukmini ji's ornaments are, described in the scriptures. Each detail represents her grace and her divine aura. Whenever I paint crowns or gold jewelry, I don't focus on the shade name. I just find a warm yellow, mix a little brown or orange, and keep adjusting until it looks rich. You just depend on your intuition. Watercolor is all about trusting the flow and letting the shades guide you. And one thing I always remember, don't use too much water when you are adding fine details. A slightly dry brush gives much sharper strokes. This part is very meditative, so just take your time and enjoy the process. Now I am starting with the clothes. For the blue shade, I didn't use any specific color name. I just mixed what felt right to my eyes. That's the beauty of watercolor. Your instinct becomes your palette. And when filling clothes, I always start with a lighter base layer, then gradually adds darker shades for folds. Here you can see I'm like filling the lighter shade first, while keeping in mind that where the details will be and the folds will be. And then we will gradually add darker shade for folds. It gives the fabric a soft and real look. Now for the pink tone and the blue areas together create a beautiful contrast. Now I am going to use the deeper shade of pink for more detailed process, and just keep watching so you will get to know the real behind the scene. If you are painting along with me, don't stress about matching my exact shades. Just feel the colors and let them flow. Painting devotional subjects is not about perfection, it's about emotion. Like, you cannot get the exact same and shape and color and just the same as the reference image. For me, it's not like that. And if you are a professional, yes, you can say you can get even much more better than the original reference image. But as I believe the original picture, or you can say the original reference image, you have to like act different from that. You have to like use your own colors, use your own way of thinking to make your painting extraordinary. You have to connect with your painting. Towards the end, I am just adding few extra details depending the color where it looks light and cleaning the edges. So everyone, this part completes all the jewelry and clothes, and in the next video, part 3, we will finally paint the face and skin, which is my favorite stage because that's when the painting truly comes alive. Everyone, please like my video and subscribe and comment Jai Shri Krishna. And if you are new, please share and subscribe. Please, please, please. Thank you everyone for watching till the end. And if you are enjoying this series, comment Jai Shri Krishna. We will see you soon. Hari Bol. Radhe Radhe.